Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to simplify some short questions from sorts. So these questions give the basic concept of simplification of sorts. How do we add the like sorts, similar to the subtraction of the like sorts having different orders, and multiplication of sorts, division of sorts, simple type of division, like that. Now we have some questions here. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have taken 8 short questions. So in today's class, we simplify these questions. Let's start taking the first question. Our question number 1 for simplification is 5 under root 3 plus 6 under root 3 minus 2 under root 3. These sorts which are given here all are the like sorts because they have the same order, order 2, and radicand also same, it is 3. So it is just like 5a plus 6a minus 2a in algebra. So 5a plus 6a, 11a minus 2a, it is 9a. In the same way, we can simplify the sorts also because all the terms which are given here are the like sorts. So it is 5 plus 6, 11 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is equal to 9 root 3. Finish. Very simple. It is just like the simplification of algebraic expressions, because in algebra also we can add or subtract the like terms only. Similarly in sorts also we can add or subtract the like sorts. Like sorts means sorts having the same order as well as same radicand. Look here. If there is nothing, there is order 2. Order of this 2, order of this order is also 2, order of this are also 2. This 5, 6 and 2 are the coefficients. These are not the orders. Orders are written here. And what is there inside the radical sign, root sign? It is 3. Here is 3, here is also 3. In the third root there is also 3. So these sorts having the same order as well as same radicand are the like sorts, and like sorts are added or simply subtracted in a very easy way, just like the algebraic terms. Similar to now question number 2, 8 cube root of 4 minus it is a cube root of 4. This is order. Cube root of 4 minus 3 cube root of 4. It is also just like this. 8 cube root of 4 minus cube root of 4 minus 3 times cube root of 4. Main thing is order of the sort and radicand. Order 3 radicand 4. Order 3 radicand 4. Order 3 radicand 4. In this condition, the simplification will be of the coefficient only. The coefficient of the first sort 8, coefficient of second sort, if there is nothing, there is 1, and coefficient of third sort, there is 3. So it is just like 8a minus 3a. We can simplify it very easily. 8a minus 4a, so it is 4a, just like this. 8 cube root of 4 minus it is 4. Here is 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, and it is cube root of 4. So 4 times cube root of 4. This is the answer. We cannot do further because you cannot take the cube root of 4. Now let's take another question number 3. It is multiplication of sorts. Cube root of 9 into cube root of 3 into 3 times cube root of 2. When we have the sorts of the same order, we can multiply the sorts keeping the root of the same order. Like just we multiply the radicand of the sorts. of the same order, like this 3 is the coefficient, it will be outside of the radical sign, and cube root of 9 into 3 into 2, like this. There is a cube root of 9, cube root of 3, cube root of 2. As we have the same order of these three surds, they can be multiplied together. Only the radicands are multiplied in the surd, that means within the same radical sign, having the same order. Coefficients are multiplied outside of this root sign, and radicand are multiplied inside the root sign. So it is 3 times 27 into 2 cube root. So cube root, it is 3 cube into 2. I have written this 27 here without multiplying with this 2, because 27 it can be written as 3 cube. 27 is the cube of 3. When the order of the root and power of the radicand it is same, then this comes out. That means 3 into 3 cube root of 2, like this. Order and power same. That means this 3 comes out of the radical sign, but this root, the 2, we cannot take it out, because to come this out, there should be 2 cube, but there is 2 only. We don't have the cube of 2 here, just like the cube of 3. So we have the single 2, so it cannot be taken out unless having the power of the radicand equal to the order, it cannot be taken out. So it is 3 coefficient, this number multiplied together, and cube root of 2 as it is. So this is the answer. Further we cannot do anything for this. Question number 3. Now next question, 4 number. It is in division form. 5 under root 8 divided by 2 root 2. Or simply it is 5 under root 8 upon 2 under root 2. Now look here, this 8 and this 2. 8 and 2, they have the same order. Order of this 8 is 2, order of this 2 is also 2. It is just like under root a upon under root b. We can write this as under root a upon b, because the orders of the roots are same here. It is same. It is 2. If there is nothing, there is 2. So it is 5 upon 2 square root of 8 upon 2. So 2 4 times. So 5 upon 2 square root of 4. And we know that square root of 4 is 2. So it is 5 upon 2 into 2. 2 cancels. So it gives 5 only. So answer of this question number 4 is 5. Similarly, this question number 5 also can be done in the same way. It is also in division form. Very simple question. 5 number, we have under root 20 divided by under root 5 is square root. If there is nothing, there is 2, so it is square root of 20 divided by square root of 5. It can be written as square root of 20 upon square root of 5. If the orders of the surd are same, it can be written 20 upon 5 within the same surd, this radical root sign. So 5 4 times. So there is square root of 4, and we know that square root of 4 is 2. So I think we don't have any problem to understand this one also. Now let's go to next question. Question number 6. It is cube root of 35 divided by 5 cube root of 7. It is 20 cube root of 35 upon 5 cube root of 7, because a divided by b, it is a upon b. 5 4 times. Now this can be written as cube root of 35 upon 7, because cube root of a upon cube root of b, if we have like this, we can write this as cube root of a upon b. So this 4 as it is 7, 5. So it is cube root of 5. 4 times 4 is coefficient and cube root of 5. We cannot take the cube root of 5. 5 is not a cube number. We can take it in decimal, but generally we do not take the value in decimal here. So we leave this as it is. 4 cube root of 5. It is the simplest form of this sort, because according to question we have to simplify the given sorts. And this is the simplest form of this sort. We cannot simplify it further. So this should be the answer. Now similarly 7 number, we have square root of 32 plus square root of 8 minus square root of 72. Now under root 32. So what are the prime factors of 32? 2, 16 times 2. 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So 2 square into 2. This is 2 square into 2 square into 2. I am writing in the form of square because it is the square root. Or we can write 16 into 2 also for this. That is 4 square into 2. It is the same thing. And here also it is 8. 2, 4, 2. 2 square into 2, 2 square into 2. And now this 72. 72, 2, 36, 2, 18, 3, 2, 9, 3 times. That is 2 square into 3 square into 2. 2 square into 3 square into 2. Now we can take it out from the square, as it is the square root. The order of this root is 2. So when the order and this power of the radical is set, this base comes out. This is 2 into 2 into root 2. It is 2 into root 2. It is 2 into 3 times root 2. It is 4 root 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 6 root 2. Now look at 4 plus 2. 6 root 2 minus 6 root 2. Same value cancelled. So it gives the answer 0. So to simplify this type of sort, first we find the prime factors of the radicand and what number can be taken out of the root. We try for this according to this degree order of the this radical or root. This is number 7. Now this question number 8 also can be done in the same way. Only difference is it is cube root. Number 7, it is square root. Every root is square root. Here every root is the cube root. We can take any number out by making its power 3, because the order of the root is 3 here. So let's do this last question number 8 also. Cube root of 16 plus cube root of 54 minus cube root of 250. So we know that 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So it is 2 cube into 2. 2 cube into 2. I am making the power 3 here because order of the root is 3. It is cube root. Similarly 54. Cube root of 54 can be written as 2, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. And that is 3 cube into 2. And similarly 250. 250 divided by 2, 125. Or divided by 5, 25, 5, 5. It is 5 cube into 2. So 16 it is 2 cube into 2, 54, 3 cube into 2, and 250 it is 5 cube into 2. It is 2 comes out, cube root of 2, here 3 comes out, cube root of 2, minus here 5 comes out, cube root of 2. Now 2 plus 3, these are the like terms, 2 plus 3, 5, cube root of 2, last term also 5, cube root of 2. Now the same term having the opposite sign, so it is 0. So answer of this question also 0. So here also we followed the same technique which we did in the previous number 7. Only according to the order of the root, which base can be raised the same power equal to the order of the root. We try for this, and because from from that base which at the power equal to the this order of the root, it comes out like 2 to the power 3, that 2 comes out, 3 to the power 3, 3 comes out, 5 to the power 3, 3 is equal to the order, so it 5 comes out, and this 2 single 2 single 2 single 2, so it remains within the this radical sign. So it is just like 2a plus 3a minus 5a in algebra. So finally what we get, 5 cube root of 2 minus 5 cube root of 2, both are cancelled, giving the answer 1. So in this way we simplified some very simple sorts here, just to build up the concept of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division if the sorts have the same order. Number 9 is like this. How do we simplify it? Look here. 3 is square root of 2, it is the sort of order 4. Now this 2500, if you factorize it to 1250, to 625, 525, 525, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the power 4 into 4. Because if the order of this root is 4, we try to get the power 4 of any value in the radicand. We get 5 to the power 4, and still this 2 is squared. Either you write 2 is squared or 4, it is the same thing. Unless having the power 4 of any value in the radicand, we cannot take it out. And similarly, this one 64. 64 also 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. That is 2 to the power 4 into 4. And this, it is square root, it is 2 square into 2. I am writing 2 square here because it is the square root of order of this root is 2. We can take 1, 2 out of the order here, root sign. Now it is 3 root 2 plus this 5 comes out, order of the root is 4, and radicand also 4. Here this 2 comes out, order of the root is 4, radicand again 4, and this 6 is the coefficient, 6 into 2, because the order of this root is 2. If there is nothing, there is 2. This 6 is not the order, it is the coefficient. So it should be clear. This order or coefficient. The number which is written here with this cone, this will be the order, and which is written outside like this, it will be the coefficient. Here this 3 is coefficient, this 6 is coefficient, but this 4 and this 4, it is order. Now 3 root 2, these two sorts are like sorts. Look here now. 5 now look at these two sorts. These 5 and 2 are the coefficients, and order of the sorts, it is 4. Radicand is also 4. So like sorts can be added or subtracted according to the sign. So 5 minus 2, it is 3, and this radicand and order 4 as it is. and this also 6 into 2, 12 root 2. Now this first and last sorts also the like sorts, 3 root 2, 12 root 2. So 12 plus 3 it is 15 root 2, and this is 3 coefficient, order and radicand both are 4 for this second sort. Now this sort and this sort, they are alike, they are not same, because order of this sort 2, if there is nothing there is 2, and radicand is 2, and in the second term the order is 4, radicand is also 4. So orders and radicand both are different here, so they cannot be added or subtracted. So further we cannot do anything for this condition, so this must be the answer. This is question number 9. Now let's simplify this question number 10. It is in multiplication form. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 into 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. It is in multiplication form, but it is in the very simple form. You see that it is in the form of a plus b times a minus b. A plus b times a minus b. This is a square minus b square. So what is a here? 2 root 5. A square minus b is 3 root 2. A square minus b square. Square of 2 is 4, and square of root 5. Root 5 square, it is root 5 into root, and square will be cancelled, so it is 5, and it is 9 into 2. Square of 3 is 9, square of root 2 is 2 only. Here it is square of 2 is 4, square of this root 2 5. So 4 into 5, 20 minus 9, 2 times 18. 20 minus 18, it is 2. So answer of this question number 10, it is 2. It is very simple. Because it is in the form of a plus b times a minus b. Directly we can apply the formula a square minus b square. Now similarly this question number 11. 2 root 2 minus root 3 times 3 root 2 plus root 3. It is not like this number 10, because it was in the form of a plus b times a minus b. So we could use the formula a square minus b square directly, but it is not like this. 2 root 2 minus root 3, 3 root 2 plus root 3. So we have to multiply these two factors here. So 2 root 2 into 3 root 2. This and this, similar now this and this. 2 root 2 into root 3. Or similarly, you can now root 3, or you can do like this. Right? How do you understand this? It will be easier for you. 2 root 2 times 3 root 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 times 3 root 2 plus root 3. First this 3 root 2 plus root 3 are multiplied by 2 root 2. Again 3 root 2 plus root 3 are multiplied by this minus root 3. Now open the bracket. 2 into 3 it is 6, root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square. Here it is 2, and root 2 into root 3 it is root 6. Root 2 into root 3, because they have the same order, 2, 2, so it is root 6. Similarly here 3 and root 2 into root 3 it is root 6, and minus root 3 into root 3 whole square. Minus plus minus, minus plus minus. Root 3 into 3 root 2 it is 3 as it is, and root 2 into root 3 it is root 6. 2 into 3 it is 6, and root 3 into root 3 whole square. So it is 6 into 2. Look here, because root 2 whole square it is 2 only. Similarly root 3 whole square it is also 3 only, because when the order and power and this power will be equal, the root will be removed. And these two roots also these two sorts are the like sorts. This is just like 2a minus 3a. It is simply minus a. So minus root 6 minus root 6, and this is also 3 only. So 12 minus root 6 minus 3. So 12 minus 3, it is 9 minus root 6. So it should be the answer, because you cannot simplify it further. 9 is 9 minus our root 6. We cannot do anything for this root 6, because it is the square root. We cannot find the square root of 6. We can get in decimal, but we do not get in the value in decimal, because 6 is not a square number. So this is question number 11. Just we have to multiply. How do we multiply in algebra? In the same way, because we have the roots of the same order, so we don't have any problem here. Now question number 12. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square. It is just like a plus b whole square. It is you suppose this root 5 as a and this root 3 as b. So we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square, the formula of a plus b whole square. We use the same formula here. Root 5 whole square, a square plus 2 is root 5, b is root 3 plus b square is root 3 whole square. Now square root of this root 5 whole square, this root and square will be cancelled. So 5 plus 2 and root 5 into root 3, it is root 15, because we have the source of the same order, they can be multiplied, and it is 3. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2 under root 15. This is the answer. Very simple. Now question number 13. And question number 13 is under root x square minus 16 upon under root x minus 4. Okay class, look here. This both numerator and denominator, these two sorts have the same order. It is if there is nothing, this is square root, this is also square root. So this can be written within the same radical sign, that is x square minus 16 upon x minus 4. Now the numerator, it is in the form of a square minus b square, because we know that this 16 is 4 square upon x minus 4. Now is the formula a plus b, a minus b, x plus 4 x minus 4 upon x minus 4. This x minus 4 cancel. So what is remaining there? Under root x plus 4. So this is the answer. Because you know that if we have under root a upon under root b, we can write under root a upon b. And because this in the numerator has the order 2, this in the denominator it also has the order 2. So we can write both numerator and denominator within the same root of the order 2. And using the formula a square minus b square here, x minus 4 will be cancelled. And finally it will be remaining x plus 4 only within the this root sign. Our last question, number 14. 3x minus 16 upon 4 plus under root 3x. Look at this question, it is slightly different than the other question we simplified before. How is it possible to simplify this structure, this sort? Because in numerator we have 3x minus 16, denominator we have 4 plus under root 3x. We use one technique here, because the numerator also can be written in the form of a square minus b square, so that we can get one common factor in numerator, denominator which will be cancelled. How? Because for a we can write root a whole square, 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. We know it. So similarly this 3x can be written as under root 3x whole square, because this root and and this square will be cancelled, so it is 3x only, and this 16 is 4 square upon this can be written as under root 3x plus 4. It is the same thing, either you write a plus b or you write b plus a. Now you can see numerator, it is in the form of a square minus b square. You can use the formula of a plus b times a minus b, that is root under 3x plus 4 under root 3x minus 4 upon under root 3x plus 4. So this and this cancel, so what will be remaining there? Under root 3x minus 4. So this technique also will be very useful for us, mainly while solving the equation involving source. In the next exercise, next classes we will do it. So one technique here is this 3x, writing this as under root 3x whole square, so that we will get this numerator also in the form of a square minus b square, and we will get one common factor there to be cancelled, and there will be remaining under root 3x minus 4 only. This will be the answer. Okay, thank you, bye bye.